defiant Karen took 8 taser deployments and still refused to comply. What started as a simple request to turn off the engine quickly escalated into a suffocating standoff as the woman repeatedly ignored police orders.
Turn the car off for me. Turn the car. I'm not going to ask you again. Turn the car off and we're going to talk right out here. Hello? Do you hear what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going to explain to you when you step out here. So turn your car off.
Why?
Turn your car off.
Why?
I'm going to explain when you get right over here. So turn the car off. Okay. All right. Look, this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. You hear me? Okay. You got the glass breaking too?
She's trying to throw the DJ's equipment, trying to do all this stuff. Luckily, nothing was damaged.
Okay.
But she tries to throw equipment, keeps holding on to stuff, and she's grabbing onto another girl. Her name is Princess. She was just here. She left.
Okay.
She's grabbing on Princess, so I had to physically restrain her. So I grabbed her from the back of her arms, and I just picked her up and took her out. And so when she got out, she started threatening me. She said, "We dig up in my purse." And that's why I thought she might have had a firearm, but she just put out her phone.
Okay.
And then she started taking pictures and stuff, and she just kept coming back inside.
Can you turn your vehicle off for me? Turn your vehicle off for me.
Okay, so
Can I have your driver's license?
yeah, so what's up? Why did I get pulled over?
Because we tried to talk to you in the parking lot and you pulled off on us. She said you didn't tell her to step out.
You didn't tell me. No,
It was in the
So I didn't tell you to step out the car?
no, you said not.
So I didn't tell you to step out the car? Man, I said turn the car off and step out. Alright, we're not going to do this back and forth, okay? We're not going to do this.
I'm just saying.
Okay. So right now, you drove away when I was making contact with you, right? So I'm standing like this. Listen to me. I'm standing just like this, and you could have hit me when you drove away. You understand that? You know that's a federal crime, a felony?
When a lawful order was flatly refused, the line between conversation and force collapsed in just a few brief seconds.
First of all, I cannot see you. When you talk
How you not see me and I'm talking to you?
Come on, baby girl. Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, so what are we doing right here?
So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the car off like I asked you to do before and step out and come over here.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, you're refusing to do that.
I'm not going to do that because why?
I'm telling you to. This is a lawful order. It's a lawful order. That's why. No, you cannot. You are going to step out the car. You are going to step out the car. First of all, you had a whole altercation at the place when you were parked at. So this is why I want you to step out so we could talk about what happened. I'm not a baby girl. I'm not your baby girl. Okay? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to step out the vehicle and we're going to talk right here. Because I'm telling you to do that. I'm telling you to. No, you cannot. You cannot. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to step out.
Listen, we sisters, right?
Correct. So I don't understand why you're not listening. So I'm not understanding why you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. Go ahead.
Okay, so at the end of the day, so you said I'll get what? What was my violation?
You see how we're talking right here and we could be talking back there?
My violation.
You're supposed to be criminally trespassed from the area. Step out the car. I'm not going to keep talking to you through the car. Step out.
Can I have my ID back?
No, ma'am. Please step outside the vehicle. Please, yes, step out the vehicle.
Why?
Because we asked you to step out the vehicle.
If you take off,
You take off, it's going to be worse.
it's going to be a problem.
Turn the vehicle off, ma'am. Turn the vehicle off, ma'am.
Okay, I will. Alright.
The door.
Excuse me. Come on. Why are you doing that though? Why?
Turn the vehicle off, ma'am.
Okay, cause why?
Turn your vehicle off. Get out your pocket. Turn your vehicle off.
Come on out.
Oh wow.
Come on out.
Y'all have me like that?
Get out.
Oh no. Why you doing me like that?
Screams, physical struggle, and repeated taser deployments followed, but even while being restrained, the resistance still didn't stop.
Hell no.
Get out of the car.
Okay. Now. Get off of me. Oh shit. Why are you doing that? Out of here! No! No!
Put your hands behind your back, ma'am.
No, I'm not! No! Oh, shit, you can't Oh, fuck!
10-4-36-3, go
Ah! You tasing me? Oh, fuck! Ah!
Put your hands behind your back.
Ah! Damn, no! No! I'm not! Oh, fuck! You got me going.
She already got one.
Let it go. Move your hand. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
You tasing me. Okay, go ahead. Keep doing it.
It ended behind bars, where a chain of poor decisions forced the woman to face legal consequences far heavier than she ever imagined.
Oh! Ah!
30-25 to the board.
Like that? Wow.
Stop it.
Why y'all do this? Why y'all do this? Why? Why do y'all do this? Well, that's why. I didn't do nothing wrong. Why do y'all do this? Like, why? I'm saying why? Why do you do this? Why? Why do you do this? I didn't do nothing wrong. Why? Why you trying to handle me too?
Stop. Sit down.
No, I'm not sitting down. No, I'm not sitting down.
Sit down.
No, I'm not.
Sit down.
Stop. Stop it. Stop.
Stop. Cut it out. Calm yourself down. Do you understand me? Yes or no? Yo, tell me, where you at?
Why are you pulling me over? Why are y'all doing this?
111, where you at?
Why are y'all doing this? Like, please, seriously?
Yes, seriously.
Well,
Sit
that's
down.
why.
Sit
No, I
down.
don't want to. I gotta pee. Can I pee?
No.
Can I pee?
No.
The woman was arrested and faces multiple criminal charges, including DUI, disorderly conduct, trespassing after being told to leave, and obstructing law enforcement.